Example of our Waytouch Premier, our niche in the global market. It's our wayfinding application. It's got some of the most unique feature sets that allow any end user to really kind of create any wayfinding from any piece of data. We've got a lot of cool animations built in. This, for instance, they're showcasing 3 floors in one with an elevator. I can move this with my finger. I can pinch and zoom. I can press home. They also added their website into it. They added a map feature with campus capabilities. So this was just a PDF actually that they provided to us, and we are able to just drop pin to different rooms. Maybe they want to get to the center, click directions, and from wherever the screen is located at, it will show you inside the building and then go outside and literally map through the campus using our smart pathway algorithm that determines point A to point B what the fastest route is. So you don't have to create that necessary route. It automatically does it. Now we can add an on-screen keyboard into it, and again I can scroll in this application and look for a different building and so forth. That is the simplicity of the Waytouch. This is another example of one of our university clients. Everything in our solution is very brand oriented because of our free-form capabilities built into the Publisher Pro. So with this Waytouch Premier solution, I can click on the screen, and we have kind of what we call our 2D dimensional, 2.5D. I can look for people, I can look for places, I can look for events. Let's look for a certain person, maybe active learning, get directions, and it'll route me to that location. Now what I could do as well, press the reset button, and I can click on the arrows for maybe the 2nd floor or 3rd floor or 4th floor, and click on any one of the classrooms and say get directions. And from wherever that kiosk is or that screen, it's going to figure out using the smart pathway algorithm what the closest elevator or best usage elevator would be. It does an elevator animation and takes you with the zoom in right to your room. They also added amenities, so I can look for women's restrooms, and it can just populate kind of a flash where women's restrooms are, or I can click About Us, and it did a little photo album carousel, so you can also add additional content into the solution, not just wayfinding. So this is a cool little extra design. Press home, and I'm back to the home screen, which is a slideshow, so you've got a lot of that media capabilities built in. This is an example of vertical orientation. So let's say this is a 46-inch or 55-inch portrait mode kiosk or wall mount. They've got a slideshow going. I can click directory, have a full listing that can be populated from any data source, Resource 25, Google Calendars, Outlook, any CSV, XML, JSON file. I can click on a certain location. And now this is highlighting our 3D capabilities. We're one of the only solutions in the world that provides you 3D mapping, that you can actually build the floors. You have the flexibility to edit the 3D. I can pinch out, and then I can actually rotate the solution 360 degrees and pinch in and actually feel like I'm walking in the hallway. So pretty cool design. Click on events, click on building map, click on the different floors, and I can also add different icons. So they wanted to add a Starbucks icon into it. You can click it, you get a pop-up, say get directions, and again, from wherever it is, it takes you to the elevator. And I can also use a wheelchair button. So now people can actually, of any height, be able to adjust the screen and be able to reach the buttons or reach the map and move it all around. That's the simplicity of Waytouch. Press refresh, and gets me back to normal.